If you're over 40 and constantly dealing with bloating, gas, or that uncomfortable stomach heaviness after meals, this is not random. Your gut actually changes after 40. Hormones shift, digestion slows down, your gut bacteria diversity can decline. But here's the good news. The right foods can dramatically reduce bloating naturally without supplements, detox teas, or extreme diets. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful science-backed foods that support gut health after 40 and help reduce bloating fast. Let's get into it. Number 1. Greek yogurt with live cultures. After 40, your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system, can become less diverse. That imbalance often leads to gas, bloating, and sluggish digestion. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in your gut. Here's why it works. Improves digestion, reduces gas buildup, strengthens immune health, supports better nutrient absorption. Important tip: choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with live and active cultures on the label. Added sugars can actually worsen bloating. You can eat it in the morning, add berries, or even use it as a replacement for sour cream. Number 2. Fermented vegetables like sauerkraut or kimchi. These are probiotic powerhouses. Fermented foods go through a natural process that increases beneficial bacteria. That means they help repopulate your gut with good microbes that improve digestion and reduce bloating over time. Benefits: improves gut bacteria balance, enhances digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports metabolism. Start small, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. If you suddenly eat a large portion, you might experience temporary gas as your gut adjusts. Consistency is key here. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. After 40, fiber becomes essential. Many cases of bloating are actually caused by constipation or irregular digestion. Sweet potatoes are rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and helps keep bowel movements regular without irritating the digestive system. Why they're powerful? Prevent constipation-related bloating, support stable blood sugar, reduce digestive inflammation. They're also easier to digest than many other high-fiber foods, making them ideal for sensitive stomachs. Bake them, roast them, or mash them. Just avoid deep frying. Number 4. Peppermint. Peppermint is one of the most effective natural remedies for bloating. It works by relaxing the muscles of the digestive tract. When those muscles are tight or spasming, gas gets trapped, and that causes pressure and discomfort. Peppermint helps relieve gas, reduce abdominal cramping, improve digestive flow, and ease IBS-related bloating. The easiest way to use it is peppermint tea after meals. It's simple, affordable, and very effective. If you struggle with frequent bloating, this can make a noticeable difference within days. Number 5. Cucumber. Not all bloating is caused by digestion. Sometimes it's water retention, especially after 40 when hormonal changes affect fluid balance. Cucumber is high in water and potassium. Potassium helps counterbalance excess sodium in the body, which reduces water retention and puffiness. Benefits: hydrates the body, reduces fluid retention, supports detox pathways, and soothes digestive irritation. It's light, refreshing, and easy to add to salads, smoothies, or infused water. Quickly, here's why this matters. After 40, stomach acid production can decrease. Gut bacteria diversity shifts. Hormones fluctuate. Metabolism slows. All of this affects how your body processes food. The solution isn't eating less, it's eating smarter. If you found this helpful, start by adding just one of these foods daily for the next week. Small, consistent changes create real results. And if you want more videos on gut health, metabolism after 40, and natural ways to reduce inflammation, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your gut health is the foundation of your energy, weight balance, and overall well-being.